Evergreen. I love this word. It means always green, always alive, even in the coldest season. Hey, my name is Mariam and this is Once Upon a Fold. Today I'm folding a small Christmas tree, an evergreen made simply of paper. And maybe winter isn't only a cold time of year. Maybe it is a time we discover what still stays green inside us. Life often feels a little like winter. The days get shorter, the light fades earlier, and the quiet heaviness settles around us. Our thoughts slow down, our energy drops, and we find ourselves turning inward. Sometimes by choice, and sometimes because the season nudges us there. But even in the stillness, there are parts of us that don't lose their color. Parts that stay warm, hopeful, and quietly alive. That's what this little paper tree reminds me of. As I fold each layer, I think about the evergreen pieces within us. The things that stays alive even when the life feels cold. A soft kindness we still carry. A dream that refuses to disappear. A small tenderness that doesn't fade. The brown trunk of this tree is simple. It is not the part of you notice first, but it holds everything together, just like our own roots. The lessons that shaped us, the experiences that steadied us, the quiet strengths we don't talk about but lean on every day. And the green layers, they look delicate. But when they came together, they become something strong, something that stays alive through the season. Maybe the evergreen in us isn't our productivity or how much we accomplish. Maybe it's our ability to care, to keep showing up in small, gentle ways, to feel deeply, to hope quietly. In winter, nature doesn't die. It rests. It gathers strength underground. And still there are evergreens standing calm and bright, just to remind us that life is still here. We are a little like that too. We have bright seasons full of motion. And we have quiet seasons where the most important changes happen inside us. This little tree doesn't sparkle. It doesn't shine or call attention to itself. It simply stands softly, honestly, fully itself. And maybe we don't always need to shine either. Maybe sometimes it is enough just to stay alive inside, holding on that one evergreen things, a trust, a value, a feeling, a hope. As the folds came together and the tree takes shape, I find myself wondering, what is the evergreen within me? What stays alive in me, even in the coldest season? Is it my creativity, my love for quiet moments, my patience, my belief that light returns? Whatever your evergreen is, this might be a good season to notice it, to protect it gently, to let it guide you through the cold days. And in this season, when people place a small light in windows and little trees on their tables, This simple paper tree becomes a reminder to look inward too and see what is still alive, still warm, still green. This Christmas tree is only paper, but it carries a quiet message. Even in winter, there is something inside you that doesn't lose its color. Something evergreen. If this season feels heavy, I hope this little fold can be a calm companion, a reminder that you have an evergreen within you, waiting, resting, but never fading. And if you'd like, you can fold this tree with me and keep it somewhere close as a small symbol of what stays green in you.